Even before the official presentation of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, rumors of a slimmer, more expensive version circulated, with a fall release date predicted. Originally branded the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, this variation promised a more streamlined design than the normal device. Since then, Google and Honor have introduced their own foldable smartphones with a slimmer profile than the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the yet-to-be-released version. This has caused Samsung to rethink the name of their next flagship foldable. According to current conjecture, it will be labeled as the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, which may be a better match than the original thin. The label small would have been deceptive since the gadget does not satisfy the expectations of being ultra-thin, risking ridicule from rivals. In fact, Honor has already made a humorous jibe at Samsung for the bulkiness of its newest foldable with a witty comment addressed at the Galaxy Z Fold 6. However, for identical reasons, the special edition may not be very distinctive. It might just reflect the Galaxy Z Fold 6 version that Samsung should have released from the start. Recent leaks from Evan Burst on X imply interesting advances for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, despite the fact that his account is temporarily secret. The leaks show a slightly more streamlined design and an improved rear camera system. This upgrade could be significant because no foldable device in North America currently has a camera system that can compete with flagship models. For example, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold falls short of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 lags behind the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the OnePlus Open falls short of the OnePlus 12. Samsung is the most blatant offender, with its $1,900 folding phone sporting the same back camera system as the $800 basic Galaxy S24, and no improvements in over 3 years. Anticipation for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition is growing, especially in terms of its camera skills. The ordinary Fold 6 uses camera components from the normal Galaxy S24, which, although sufficient for daily photography, falls short of the Galaxy S24 Ultra and other foldable smartphones. According to recent blast reports, the special edition might replace the 50-megapixel primary camera with a more spectacular 200MP sensor, echoing past claims of a rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra model. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.